Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evani. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're old here, then welcome back. Today, my aloe vera plant died, sadly, so I'm going to show you guys how you can use it in your hair instead of just throwing it away.
That's good.
If you don't want to miss any further videos, reels quick, just go down and subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up. It really helps me out, and let's just jump into it. So here you can see that I am cutting off the dead ends or the roots of my aloe vera plant, and I am just placing those to the side because we don't want contaminated aloe vera. Then I'm taking the 4 biggest ones and chopping them into sections that I feel like I could actually use in my hair. And this recipe is inspired by Naptural85, so if you don't know who she is, which I highly doubt, please go check her channel out. I will leave the link above in the eye for the video that I saw for this pre-poo treatment. It is absolutely amazing. Here you guys can see the gel and everything that is inside, and we are going to be doing this as a pre-poo. You guys know I don't normally pre-poo, but because I am trying to heal my bald spots still, I decided this would be a good start to 2018 for my scalp. So you cut off the raggedy ends and you slice it down the middle. Please cut away from your hand, not towards the inner part of your hand like I was doing. But these are relatively small pieces because my aloe vera plant was not that big, and this is what everything looks like after I'm done. And as for the oil mixture, I used olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. And I did 5 drops of the tea tree oil and 5 drops of the peppermint. Everything else I eyeballed, so you can just make as much as you need for your hair. So here I'm showing you guys that I split my hair into 4 sections on each side. I know it kind of gets cut off at the top, but it is 4 sections on each side, so I have 8 all together. And I'm going to start in the front section so you guys can see everything that I'm doing, but I'm pretty much following her video verbatim. So I'm taking the aloe vera and rubbing it on my scalp along the perimeter first. And then after I rub some in, I massage it in as well. This stuff feels amazing. It's very cooling, and everyone knows by now that aloe vera has amazing healing properties as well. So if you are suffering from any scalp ailments, dandruff, anything like that, you can definitely try this out as well. I think it would help you a lot. So I am rubbing this again along the perimeter. You see the aloe vera juice is dripping down the side of my face. This plant was healthy, okay? So the fact that it died, I was really sad about. But I am just taking sections in this section now and making sure that the aloe vera is distributed on all parts of my scalp. And this is a lot messier than I anticipated. In her video, I guess she kept everything very nice and clean, but there were chunks of aloe vera coming off of the plant because I was rubbing it into my scalp so hard, along with all of the aloe vera juice that you see dripping down my face. So it is messier than I thought, for sure. So I am just continuing to part off little sections into this big section and making sure the aloe vera gets to all parts of my scalp and massaging it in after I rub it in. And again, I had mentioned before, I don't normally pre-poo. I never really saw the point in doing it because I use so many heavy stylers in my hair. I didn't see how this could be beneficial because there's already product and buildup on your scalp. Why would you go put something else on there before you wash it? It didn't seem like it just sounded counterproductive to me. So other pre-poo treatments I have tried, I didn't see the point. But this one, however, this aloe vera is more like a scalp treatment, and I feel like you could do this at any given point. So I did really like it. So now I'm taking my oil mixture and I am applying that to my scalp and massaging it in, and this feels amazing, especially with the tea tree oil in there and the peppermint. Those two essential oils are stimulating by themselves, but also with the massaging, everything, it just has this great cooling sensation and everything just comes together so nicely. It feels really, really good. So next you're going to take your spray bottle and re-wet the ends of your hair. I am working on an old twist out. It's a week old at this point and I wash my hair once a week. And here I am just taking the oil mixture again on my fingertips and distributing that on the ends of my hair to make it more malleable so that I can do some light finger detangling before I hop in the shower and get my hair wet. And as you can see here, after applying the oil and the aloe vera to my hair, it is very shiny, it is very moisturized, it's very malleable, and it just feels good. Like, I can't describe it, it's just amazing. It just feels really, really good on your scalp. And having a healthy and stimulated scalp is essential for having healthy hair. So I highly recommend this pre-poo treatment, but even if you didn't want to use it as a pre-poo, I would highly recommend this as a scalp treatment for all hair types and all ethnicities and all textures. It is just amazing. Now I am just twisting it up. I mean, it's not an actual twist, it's like a swirl. I don't know what you call it, the cinnamon buns or whatever. Anyway, y'all saw what I did. I am twisting that up and clipping it out of the way and moving on to the next section. So here I am just going to go over all of the steps again and make sure that this entire treatment goes over my entire scalp. And here I'm clipping that other section out of the way so it's easier for you guys to see. In Naptural85's video, she recommends doing clean parts to minimize breakage and to help the aloe penetrate easier, but I am a messy parter. I did not do clean parts. I do also advise clean parts. I think it would be easier, but my hair was in an old twist out, so it was harder for me to do that. And here, if you ever feel like all of the gel got dried up or used up on the leaf that you're using, you just pierce it with your nail or your finger and then some more gel will emerge so you can continue doing the entire section of your hair. So that is what I am doing here. And again, just parting off mini sections into the big section and making sure that the aloe is everywhere. So I went ahead and combined the two sections up front and the two up back, so I have 4 big quadrants now. And this is what my hair is looking like after everything is all finished. And I ended up using all of the aloe vera plant that I had cut up, so it's gone now. I'm still sad. But these are the skins, I guess you could say, and this is all of the used up gel. There is nothing left on them. It is currently 1:57 and I wanted to leave it sitting in my hair for a long period of time. I did not want to do an overnight treatment, but I do think it would be even more effective if you did that like Naptural85 did. So this is 3 hours later and this is what my hair is looking like after I let it dry out. Aloe vera is kind of like a gel, so my hair was feeling kind of harder at the roots. I'm not gonna say it had a crunch or anything like that, but it was feeling kind of hard at the roots even with the oil. But again, I think it's just a lot of product buildup. And here you can see my hair is very shiny, very shiny. And this is what my scalp is looking like. Everything still feels really good, but everything is very dry at this point. Not dry in a bad way, but like the treatment is completely dry. There's no dampness to my hair. And here I am in the shower just washing it out. I didn't have a hard time washing it out, but I could see some of the chunks come out in the shower. So just make sure that you shampoo thoroughly when you do this treatment. I didn't leave my hair in the twist for that reason, so it did come out decently well. So overall, I can say I was pleasantly surprised by this treatment. I think my scalp liked it more than my hair did. After I felt like the aloe vera was running down my hair, or maybe it could have been the product buildup. I just felt like it was a lot on my hair, you know, so I was glad to get it clean finally. But for the scalp, I think aloe vera is amazing. I'm glad I got to test this treatment out for you guys. I really would do it again. It's that good. I highly recommend for everybody all over the world. So from here, I just did my regular wash day routine. I can link that above in the eye. And don't forget to check out any of my social media platforms. I am probably on Snapchat and Instagram the most, or check out some of my previous uploads. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.